A fluffy white rabbit with oversized ears and a little pink nose named Bella dreams of flying to the moon. Bella's fur is soft as clouds, and her big round eyes sparkle with curiosity and determination. She wears a tiny blue scarf around her neck and hops through a lush green forest filled with tall trees and colorful flowers. Bella is always carrying her favorite carrot-shaped notebook where she sketches her plans and ideas. One day, Bella decides to build a rocket. She gathers supplies from the forest leaves for the wings, sturdy twigs for the rocket's frame, and glowing mushrooms to light the way. Bella's best friends, a clever squirrel wearing glasses, a cheerful bluebird, and a wise old turtle, help her assemble the rocket. Together, they prepare for the grand adventure to the moon.